Welcome to BestPromptGeneratorForAI.com, your all-in-one destination for creating smarter AI prompts in seconds. Visit BestPromptGeneratorForAI.com, explore our growing collection of prompt tools, templates, and guides, and start generating smarter prompts today. Are you a startup founder looking to launch, grow, and scale your business with the power of AI? In this video, I'll show you how to generate professional AI prompts for startup founders using BestPromptGeneratorForAI.com. Whether you're validating a business idea, creating a business plan, preparing a pitch deck, or planning your marketing strategy, the right AI prompts can help you save time and make better decisions. Let's see it live. We'll use the BestPromptGeneratorForAI.com website to create a powerful startup prompt step by step. First, visit BestPromptGeneratorForAI.com next. Open the AI Prompts for Startup Founders page. You'll see an easy-to-use prompt generator where you can enter your startup details. Generated prompt copy and paste on chat and see result here. You'll receive a detailed professional AI prompt that's ready to use with ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or any AI assistant. Our AI prompt generator creates well-structured prompts that help you get smarter, more accurate AI responses in just a few clicks. Grow your startup with AI? Visit our website BestPromptGeneratorForAI.com and find AI prompts for startup founders. Explore hundreds of free AI prompt templates for startups, business, marketing, HR, finance, education, coding, productivity, content creation, legal professionals, and much more at BestPromptGeneratorForAI.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tools, productivity tips, and educational content. Thanks for watching.